Welcome to the world of financial freedom. In today's video, we'll dive deep into how you can start building wealth through smart investments, strategic savings, and passive income streams. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, escape the paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle, or simply secure your financial future, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with actionable steps to supercharge your personal finance strategy. Let me share a story of Sarah. Sarah, like many of us, struggled to manage her finances. She lived paycheck to paycheck and had no real savings plan. But in just 3 years, Sarah transformed her life. She went from having debt to owning multiple income-generating assets, and today, she's financially independent. What changed? She discovered the power of compounding investments, diversified her income, and made her money work for her. And the best part? Sarah didn't need a high-paying job or years of experience in finance to make it happen. She started small, using platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, Wealthfront, Stash, eToro, Grow, Zeroda, Upstocks, Revolut, Trade Republic, DeGiro, Bitpanda, ComSec, Spaceship, Raise, Sharesies, SelfWealth, Tiger Brokers, Stashaway, Saxo Markets, Rakuten Securities, Zerodia, Hargreaves, Lansdowne, Free Trade, Nutmeg, Trading 212, Moneybox, Vanguard, and automated her savings. Her success is not unique. You can do it too. Give me name of investment app from above, which one you are using right now. One of the secrets to Sarah's success is the power of compounding. You've probably heard about it before, but do you truly understand how life-changing it can be? Compounding is when your interest earns interest, and over time, this can lead to exponential growth. Let's say you invest $100 per month in an account that earns 7% annually. In 10 years, that small monthly investment would grow to over $17,000. Now imagine doing that for 20 or 30 years. That's how Sarah's wealth grew so fast, by letting time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful strategies the wealthy use: building multiple streams of income. This doesn't mean you have to work 3 jobs. The goal is to create passive income streams where you earn money even when you're not actively working. Sarah, for example, invested in real estate, stocks, and even started a YouTube channel generating ad revenue. The trick is diversification, spreading your money across different income-generating activities so that if one source slows down, others keep you financially secure. Here's an example that's easy to understand. Real estate is one of the best ways to generate passive income. Imagine you own a small apartment. You rent it out, and every month you get steady rental income, regardless of whether you work that month or not. Over time, the property value appreciates, adding to your wealth. And that's without mentioning the tax benefits and equity buildup. You don't need to start with a mansion. Even a small property can be the start of something much bigger. Another powerful way to build wealth is through the stock market. You might think stocks are risky, but with the right knowledge, they can provide great returns. Sarah started by investing in low-cost index funds, which spread her risk across a wide range of companies. Index funds are perfect for beginners because they're diversified and tend to have lower fees. Over time, even small investments can grow significantly thanks to the market's natural rise. And now, let's talk about something futuristic: cryptocurrency. While crypto is more volatile than traditional investments, it has huge potential for those who are willing to learn and take calculated risks. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins have generated massive returns for early investors. If you're considering investing in cryptocurrency, make sure to educate yourself thoroughly. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and look for long-term opportunities in this fast-growing space. As you can see, building wealth isn't about having a lot of money to start with. It's about using the money you have wisely. Whether you start small with savings, stocks, or real estate, the key is to get started and stay consistent. Sarah did it, and so can you. Now it's your turn. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom, make sure to subscribe for more tips, strategies, and insights into the world of finance. Leave a comment below and let us know what strategies you're most excited to try.